I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2003 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wheel bearing hub assembly. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Rubber mallet, 3/8 air ratchet, 12mm socket, 12mm wrench, and some anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a hub bearing assembly. First, we're going to be removing the brake drum. If you can hear, it's not smooth. That means the bearing is worn out. So there is 4 bolts that bolt the hub assembly to this axle. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got to remove all those 4 bolts, and then this assembly should come out. So I'm going to be putting on my hub bearing assembly, but first I'm going to be putting some anti-seize around here. Then I'm going to put some anti-seize right around in here. And we can put it on. Okay, so we're going to be bolting it down. So I'm going to be putting some anti-seize around the hub. Putting my drum back on. That's it. You're good to go. So that's how you replace a hub with bearing. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.